In my masterclass today, we looked at depth cueing, the ability in Vectorworks to create the impression of depth based on the distance away from the viewer. Here's an image here showing the depth cueing. You can see I've got my existing building there, and the bit I'm adding on down the back, it looks like it's shaded or faded away from where we're looking. Now, we used to have a technique in the old days where we used to put a semi-opaque polygon that would kind of give this impression. But the depth cueing is much better than that. We can change the line weight, we can change the shading, we can change the color, we can make the color fade out. Let me show you. So here's a standard elevation view, and you can see all my line weights are pretty much the same. The idea of depth cueing is that you can change the line weight and the line colors to give the impression of things being closer or further away. If I look at my background render settings, I'm just going to activate my depth cueing, and you can see straight away it's really easy to see that some parts of the building are further away than others. I can change the location of where that change occurs, and you can see straight away it's made the weatherboards on this part of the building easier to see. They've become stronger relative to the background. I can play with that some more, and I can change this a little bit more, and they'll be a little bit stronger again. And you change those until you're happy with the depth cueing. You've got this proportionality where you can say when you're half the distance away, then we're going to make you this kind of color. And you can change the shading as well. Hey, if you want to see how we did all of this, it took us about 45 minutes to go through all the questions and answers on this. But if you're interested in depth cueing, check out the link in my description and become a member of my community. So if you have a look what we did here, I actually created a style. The style includes both shading and the hatching. And when I update the view, you'll see the shading takes on that sort of colored out or washed out appearance, that the lines get that washed out appearance. I've used a light to give me shadow. And I think that it gives a really good impression of the building. And there you can see that my textures are slightly shaded. My lines are slightly shaded. And you get a really good impression of the modeling of the building. I think it's a fantastic technique. It does take a little bit of subtlety getting used to it, but it's a really cool trick. It's not that difficult to use. So have fun, have a play with depth cueing.